Welcome to Evolved Floors. Today, we're exploring the world of hybrid flooring, a revolutionary blend of style and functionality. Hybrid flooring combines the best features of laminate and vinyl, offering a durable, waterproof, and stylish solution for modern homes. Originating from the need for versatile and resilient flooring, hybrid options have quickly become a favorite among homeowners. Let's dive into SPC, or Stone Plastic Composite. Known for its robust stone core, SPC flooring is incredibly stable and resistant to dents and scratches. This makes it ideal for high-traffic areas in both residential and commercial spaces. While there have been concerns about silica and silicosis, modern SPC planks are designed with safety in mind. Advanced tools and techniques are used to minimize this exposure, ensuring a safe installation process for your home. To date, there have been no cases of silicosis due to SPC flooring, as the installation method differs dramatically from the high dust-generating activities associated with benchtops and other stone products. Now, let's explore APC, or Advanced Polymer Core, a versatile choice in hybrid flooring. APC flooring is celebrated for its flexibility and comfort underfoot, making it an excellent option for areas where a softer touch is desired. However, like any flooring choice, APC comes with its considerations. Due to its softer nature, APC can be more susceptible to damage from heavy furniture or sharp objects. It's essential to ensure proper floor preparation and use protective measures, such as furniture pads, to maintain its appearance and longevity. While APC offers a forgiving installation process, ensuring a level subfloor is crucial to prevent any issues with joints and planks over time. This preparation helps in achieving a seamless and durable finish. Both SPC and APC hybrid flooring provide a quality look and feel that's hard to beat. They offer a more affordable alternative to engineered and solid timber options, with a more realistic finish than most vinyls, making them a fantastic choice for the modern Australian home. Visit our showroom at Enterprise Street, Molendinar, or contact us for more information.